Hey everybody, Ugly American living in the Philippines over at Dayasan Village, taking a look at what they've done so far. And they had to stop work again because they ran out of little wood pieces, but Mr. Leo just got them delivered. So this is day 9, I believe, in the series. So let's take a look what they got done. We got the good zoom camera today. Someone just came by, so I had to raise it up there. And I was made aware that they did expand the front and the back to make it match better. They said it didn't look right when it was only 4 feet, and the platform itself, the main platform, was 8 feet. So they expanded it a little wider, which is good. I'm okay with that. Had to go get those little 1x2s, I guess they are, or less than 1, 1/2x2 or something for the rails. That's what they ran out of, so they stopped working. But suppose they said they could be done by tomorrow, so we just got the tarp covers today, and so we'll be getting that to them. Well, actually, I think Mr. Leo already delivered it to him.
Dito dapat ka nuna ugya po.
Very good.
Yeah. Alright, so anyway, that's the update on the boat. Now we got Tauntaun looking for the 5 pesos lost the other day. But I told him there's no way that's still here. But I just said she sees it, so we'll find out. See if they find it. That's the one thing I don't like about this camera. I don't know how to pause it. So I gotta continually run or stop the video. Do you see it or not? Well, then tell them to dive in there and get it. Come on, Don, just dive in there. Grab it. We'll give you 5 pesos if you get it. Tauntaun, we'll give you 5 pesos if you get it. If you find his 5 pesos, I'll give you 5 pesos. All right? And then you both can have 5 pesos. Look out, you guys. You got to go through. All right, I'm going to end the video. I don't think he's going to go in there. Kind of murky today. All right, got an update on the boat. Working on it. Ugly American living in the Philippines, over and out.